Ay, caramba!
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
Guys, do you see what's in front of us?
This spread looks good. It looks amazing. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
I wish my best friend was here to have this with us.
Who's your best friend?
Soylo. I wish you were here, Soylo.
You know our subscribers don't know who Swella is.
I know, but she's my best friend. She's all the way in Florida, and we always eat tacos together. And we're about to throw down on this Birria tacos, guys.
Guys, if you want to know who Swella is, Chef Sam's going to drop her link in the description. So you know who the hell she's talking about, because I don't.
Yes, you do. Shut your face.
Anyways, guys.
Shut up.
You act like they know who Swella is.
Oh, sorry.
We
That's
over
my
here,
best friend.
we over here getting personal and descriptive like they know
Sorry.
who she is. They don't know who she is. But anyways, guys, back on track. Guys, today we are trying authentic Mexican Birria tacos.
So excited for tacos. Oh, it's my favorite.
If you've been following us for a while, you already know we made it. We did our version of Birria tacos.
We did.
But today we are trying authentic Mexican.
Yeah.
Guys, the spot we went to is so popular. They're in the New York Times.
Guys, the line when we pulled up was ridiculous.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop a clip of how long that line is because there's about 30 people on this line.
Ridiculous.
And
it was raining.
You want to tell them the name of the truck because it is popular. They have been in the New York Times. They got an Instagram page, Facebook page. They're popular. Tell them the name.
Birria Latidos. I say it wrong. I'm so sorry. We're gonna drop the that
guys, the name. No, just stop.
Here.
Stop. Save yourself. Save it.
And here.
No.
And here.
No.
Here. I'm gonna wait for that.
Guys,
okay,
the name of the truck. It's a truck. It's not even a restaurant. It's a food truck. The name of the food truck is called Birria Land NYC. And this is my first time trying. She told me about it. So we're going to see what Birria Land New York City brings to the table. Because, yo, if you're in the New York Times, then you got to be banging. So you want to tell them what we have and get this right. Don't mess this up. Baraka, baka, baka. Over here, don't even know the name of the damn truck you took me to. What the hell?
We have Birria tacos, guys. Right? We got some Birria tacos.
It smells good. It smells really good.
We have, this is called sopas.
Consomme. Or consomme. Something
yeah, but it's like their sopa, right? And let me tell you what their sopa is. It's, I won't even tell you that.
Tell them.
I ain't gonna tell them. No, I ain't gonna tell them.
I'm getting comfortable. Tell them.
No, I ain't gonna tell them.
Tell them what their consomme is. Please tell them what their consomme is. Let the Mexican folks know what their consomme is because they need to know.
I ain't gonna tell you.
Oh Lord!
But it look good.
It got meat in there.
Hey, look, it got cilantro. It got some meat in there.
It got onions.
It got onions.
Yeah.
Look. Let me hold it up there.
Yeah.
Guys ain't gonna tell y'all.
You know what? I think that's the best thing to do. Just hold. Just hold it up, please. Because you're doing too much today, you know. Ooh, this hot. Just hold it up. Let's just show
But I can't. Look, all right, look.
Let's just show them because you're doing caca stuff.
I'm not doing caca no nothing.
No, you is.
And I go look at it again.
I can't. Let's just eat the food. Let's just eat the food. Tell them how it tastes.
Look at this one.
So I can go to bed.
Look at this one.
I don't even know what that is. What is that? Please tell them what that is.
You can't go to bed after eating. You gotta let that food digest.
Tell them what that is. I don't know what that is. I see Parmesan cheese.
It's like a taco sandwich. I'm not sure. Look at that.
You don't know what you ordered? You ordered it.
I saw a picture and I was like, I get that one too.
What is it called?
You know when you go, guys, you know when you go someplace?
No, just
and
tell
you're
me.
hungry because you skip breakfast and you make breakfast for everybody else, but you don't make breakfast for yourself, or you just go out to eat and you don't eat breakfast.
All right, guys, so we're about to try this food.
Wait a second, and you hungry,
Sam,
right?
no,
So
wait a
you
second.
like, I get that, and I get that. Oh, you know what? I'll take a little bit of that too. That's what I did when I was online. First of all, the line was mad long, so I was just like, by the time I got to the register,
Sam, just
I
stop.
was like, I'll get everything. So that's what I did.
Yes.
And I got this.
What is it called?
A tostada.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
All right, guys, whatever she said it is. Guys, if that's not a call a tostada, I'm going to drop what it's called in the comments because I don't know what the hell she's saying. Seriously, a tostada. It might be a tostada, it might not. If it's, I'm going to Google it after this.
Don't believe me. That's what I'm gathering.
I didn't say that.
That's what I feel.
But the way this,
I feel.
the way this video's been going, I don't know. It's like surprise. Everything here is a surprise, guys. So let's go. So the first thing, let's try these birria tacos and this sopa, like you said it was sopa. You dip the tacos in the sopa.
No, you told me it was something else.
Consume.
It's consume.
But you said it was sopa, so I'm gonna take your word for it.
Un sopa de consume. So let's do that.
Sound like you just made that shit up. But anyways, guys, let we go.
You know why I can't talk to you?
Let we go.
Like
Let we go. Let we go.
You know, maybe
you gotta play for me.
Maybe when you wait.
You gotta play for me? Guys, I'm gonna tell you how this. I'm gonna tell you how this tastes. Dip this taco in that corn sopa.
You just gonna tip it all in like that? You just gonna do it like that? You're not gonna even like scoop it with a spoon like that? Like you just gonna.
We ain't got time for that. Dip.
You're not.
Dip.
You just double dipped. Fine, I'm fine. That didn't bother me at all. You know, they have lime there, so we could squeeze some lime on it. You don't want to squeeze lime on yourself?
No, you can squeeze your lime. I good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And they gave us these little sauce things. I wonder if it's hot. Look. Oh, I can't. Oh, you gonna get it today? You gonna get it? Look what I'm gonna do. Look, I'm gonna take a little bit of sauce thing and I'm gonna pour it on here. Look. You saw what I did? I'm gonna pray for you today. I'm gonna pray for you.
Oh, let me give it to you. Yeah.
That's so nice of you. You use this yet already?
Not bad. Oh, damn. They gave hot sauce and I didn't even try the hot sauce?
I just told you about the hot sauce, but you ignored me.
Yeah, I was ignoring you, man. Shoot.
I know your mom taught you better
I
manners
definitely was. I didn't even squeeze the lime. I sure was. It comes with lime. Guys, it comes with lime, comes with hot sauce. Yeah, it's a cup lime, hot sauce. Let me try the lime and hot sauce.
You don't say.
Yeah, let me try.
Lime and hot sauce? Oh, they gave us that? You don't? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it came all
I didn't even see that.
I'm sorry. I had tuned you out. I sure did. I sure did tune you
Yeah,
out.
you do my damn nerve.
I tuned you out. I tuned you out after sopa. After sopa, I tuned you out.
I don't like you.
I'm sorry. After you didn't know the name of what you bought, I tuned you out. Well, what'd you think? What'd you think?
This is why I eat taco. This is why I normally eat tacos with soy though, not you.
Ooh, hot sauce spicy.
It's ridiculous.
I ain't gonna lie, these tacos better than ours.
It's not good.
It's better than ours. I am not gonna lie.
This tacos is really good.
This Birria tacos, I see why they're in the New York Times.
I see why the line's so damn long.
Yeah, it's better than our Birria tacos. I'm not gonna lie. I can't even taste the corn.
Let me tell you something.
I'm not a big fan of corn tortillas. You can't even tell it's a corn tortilla.
I never went to the food truck and they was just like cash or credit. I went to the food truck and in the front of the line, it was just like cash or credit. I was just like, credit? I pay my debit card at a food truck? Yes. I could pay with my debit card or a credit card at the food truck. That's how you know they popular. They poppin'.
It was good.
They poppin'.
It was really good.
They really good.
Birria Land, New York City. I'm gonna give y'all a 9.
That hot sauce is good too, right? Not bad at all.
Hot sauce was alright. I'm gonna give it a 9. I liked it. I really did. I don't know what that crack you bought that you don't even know the name, but
I don't know what it is either. But it's just supposed to be this.
what is it? What is it called?
It's this. It's a tostada. Ay, Dios santo.
Yeah, you wait till I say it.
I said it already, but you never listened to
Yeah,
me.
totally.
I can't talk to you.
Yo, the Birria tacos is good. Their Birria tacos, I'm gonna give it a 9. Yo, guys, check out. Oh, matter of fact,
Yeah.
Birria Land, New York City is located in Queens, New York, Jackson Heights. It's a food truck.
It's on 78th Street
I forgot, we didn't even say it.
on Roosevelt Avenue.
Yeah, 78th and Roosevelt Avenue. If you happen to give a fudge, it's really good. Oh, that's mine?
No, that's
Now I get to try this tostada.
Yup.
So this tostada looks like it has like Parmesan cheese on top.
It has the same meat inside.
I'm gonna put some hot sauce on this bad boy.
Me too.
Hot sauce.
Because why not?
Hot sauce is pretty good.
It really is. It looks like it has this taco like with like you made that meat and put it on the pan and you put the meat, you put the cilantro, you put the cheese, and instead of making it flat, you just double it. That's what it looks like to me. I could be wrong, but
See if I can dip this. I'm gonna dip this sucker for y'all. I'm sorry, I'm over here stuffing my face. I'm not even pay y'all no mind. Parmesan cheese gives it a nice kick. I like that.
it is definitely a cheese.
I like that. It's like Parmesan or something. Yeah, I think it's Parmesan.
It's good.
It is good.
I like it.
It is really good. I'm full already. I only had 2 tacos, so I'm full.
And they're small, but they're pretty filling.
Yeah, I must have MSG.
Wow.
I'm full already, but it's really good. Dip, dip, dip.
Wow.
Guys, check out Birria Land, New York City. They got an Instagram page too. This one
is really good with the cheese.
It don't disappoint. I'm not lying. It don't disappoint. All right, it's stuffed with cheese on the inside too. You notice that?
These tacos don't have cheese. These tacos
The Birria tacos don't have
the Birria tacos don't have cheese. These tostadas do have cheese.
They're stuffed with cheese on the inside and there's cheese on the outside. Yeah. I like it with cheese. It tastes better with cheese.
But these are really good too. They're amazing. The cilantro and the lime give it a real good flavor.
I like this tostada with the cheese. It's really good. Even this consume is good. Yo, guys, you can eat that consume with a spoon. Consume has like nothing but beef, shredded beef in there. So that's good too.
And price is good. Each taco was $3.
$3 a taco.
This tostada was $4. We got a large what you call this? Consume was $6. They have a small one for $4. Not bad.
That was large. Yeah.
And it comes with tons of meat inside. Tons of meat.
Ooh, I'm full. Let me get by this spoon. I just want to taste this consume. I can't eat no more. I am full.
So full.
2 tacos and I'm full. Guys, let me show y'all. So consume has meat in it. It's like she said, a soup with meat in it. Look at that. That's all beef, shredded beef. I'm gonna eat this.
So good. Amazing. Amazing.
This has a great flavor.
I would never go to Taco Bell again.
Yeah, this ain't no Taco Bell.
This is not no Taco Bell. Amazing.
This has flavor.
Delicious. You like it? Like just like that?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, right?
All right. I'm ready for bed. That's banging.
You gotta digest your food, bro.
Screw that. Guys, check out Birria Land, New York City. Matter of fact, overall, I'm going to give this meal a 10.
Absolutely. Me too.
I'm not going to me. This is a 10 by itself. I like this. I can eat this. I'm about to take another spoon.
And you didn't even squeeze no lime in there.
I ain't put nothing in there. I can eat this by itself. It's good. This is really good.
So delicious.
Anything else you want to say?
Guys, go get yourself a Birria Taco.
From Birria Land,
NYC.
New York City. Yo, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.